Unlock your app's potential on the Google Play Store by seamlessly linking your Payoneer account for all your developer needs. First things first, head over to the Google Play console and locate the option to publish your very first app. This is where your journey as a Google developer truly begins. During the account creation process, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. This is a critical step to cover the one-time registration fee and establish a valid payment method for your developer account. Now, here's where Payoneer comes into play. Look for the option to add a new payment method. You'll likely see credit card or bank transfer options. But if Payoneer is available as a direct integration, or if you've linked your Payoneer card to a global payment network Google accepts, select it. If you don't see Payoneer directly listed, the most common way is to add your Payoneer MasterCard or debit card as a credit card payment method. Ensure your Payoneer account has sufficient funds to cover the developer registration fee, which is currently a one-time charge. Enter your Payoneer card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Double-check all the information for accuracy before proceeding to confirm the payment. A successful transaction here validates your payment method. With your Payoneer account successfully linked and the registration fee paid, your Google developer account will be activated. This ensures your account remains active and you're ready to receive any potential earnings from your app sales directly through Payoneer. This setup not only covers your initial fee but also positions Payoneer as your primary method for managing future transactions and receiving income from your successful applications on the Google Play Store.